Hey guys, so today we're gonna learn how to draw this guy over here, and I'm drawing on a whiteboard again, and you guys know the reason why. So let's start drawing that superhero. So first you need to draw a big fat square for his body, and then you need to draw a smaller square on his head. So I had to fix him because he was a little lopsided. So and then for the eyes, he doesn't really have any eyes because he's wearing goggles. So I had to draw a line like that, and then underneath, it's kind of like one eye. So he's kind of like a cyborg. Or what are they called? I don't really know. If you know what I'm talking about, like the one-eyed creature monster thingy, please leave your answer in the comments because I have no idea right now. So then now that we drew his goggles, now we need to draw his face. So his face is sort of like this. You go up and then you go like that. You go down here but not up there. You got a little nose like that. And then you gotta draw a big line over here. So yeah, he looks kind of chubby with that mouth, but so then for his feet look like he's tap dancing a little, but oh well. Let's do this. It usually does when I draw this guy. I draw this guy a lot. And so let's do that. Go up here. Split up. Go here. He got a fat foot. Okay, okay. So then, for the arms, this dude is buff, if you know what I mean. So we start up here at this point over here, and you go like a line over here, then you go down here, you almost touch it, and then you end up over here. You draw a little circle, half circle like that. You go up here, then you start over here like that. And you go all the way to here. So that arm is buff. And then you do the same thing over here, but the other way. Do that. Do that. And do that. Wait, maybe a little like that. Okay. So, and then, you need to draw his logo. So I think, he has like a little lightning kind of logo. I'm gonna draw that again. Okay, that's not half bad. Okay, then you need to draw a lightning bolt. So like this, you need to draw a straight line like that. Go this way. Go out of the circle. Do that. Come back down. Go to the side. And make the point. It's kind of like a dance or something. And then let's just erase this part over here. I think this dude looks pretty good for now. Now let's draw his belt. Got a belt like that. You just need to draw a straight line. And then a circle in the middle. Let's just add like some color to it or something. Make it a fancy belt. And then we need to draw his gloves. I think every superhero has like gloves or something. So let's just draw a line here. And yeah, I think that looks like gloves a little. Let's try it again over here. And now let's draw his cape. So this might be a little hard. You go like this, like that, and then you stop there. You do that, you come to the arm, And then you need to go over here. Go like that and like that. Okay, yeah, that's not half bad. Now let's continue doing his boots. We need to do his boots now. And just like the gloves, you just need to draw a straight line like that. I don't have any like colors for the whiteboard. So yeah, he's a black and white character for now, like those black and white movies. And then we need to draw his hair. I don't think I've seen a superhero that's bald, so we need to draw some hair on this guy. So let's just draw a little point like that. Come back. Wait, no, I can fix that. Like that. And let's come across like here. This guy kind of reminds me of like Shaggy from Scooby-Doo, you know? Okay, that's his hair. And now we need to add his ears. I think that's the last thing we need to do. Just do that, and then another half circle and a line over there. And yeah, that's it. So, this is our superhero, you guys.